drowned in the deep water of the floods. These few weeks have been no less than an azab for the rich Arab states. And the reason for that is very clear. For whatever they had been doing on the holy land of Arabia, this reminder and warning from the Almighty was definitely on its way. The Arab governments are unable to understand how all of this has happened and how they control this disastrous situation. You can see yourself how the cars are being severely damaged and drowned in this thunder and rainfall. It was not just extreme rainfall and flooding that was disastrous. It was hailing as well. Golf-sized balls of ice fell from the sky with such thunder and noise that nobody and nothing would escape the damage.